Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today working on a Dixon. It's a 4422 zero turn. Customer brought here because I turned the key on and nothing happens. They say the battery is good, but we're gonna start from the battery, work our way back to the starter on the engine. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's check the battery. Put the red on the positive, the black on the negative. Well, it's showing 13 volts. Put a load on it, takes it down to 12. There's nothing wrong with the battery. So let's go to the back of the lawnmower. Okay, we got the solenoid hidden back here. We'll grab the tester here. On any kind of a lawnmower, if you're having electrical problems, just start at the battery. Make sure that's good. And you go to your key switch, make sure that's good. Let's find the good ground. And we got power going to solenoid. And this yellow wire right here, that goes from the key switch to the brake. On this has a safety switch on it. And the PTO clutch, if that's engaged, if that's turned on, it's not going to start either. So you make sure that's off. Turn the key on. Okay, we got nothing going to kick the solenoid in here. So we'll start checking connections. Here's that yellow wire right here. That's this spade right here. Still nothing. So I'm going to check the key switch next. Wish I could raise this seat up higher so I can get the camera in there. There's where the key switch and everything is. I'm going to check the solenoid wire that comes out of the key switch. And we have power coming out of that. Then we've got to follow the yellow wire. Find another good ground here on the motor. Double check it on the battery. Okay. You got nothing coming the yellow wire out of the key switch. I see a couple spades are really rusty on there. Scrape some of that corrosion off of them. Here, make sure you have power going to the key switch. So that'll be this red wire here. You got power going to the key switch. I ain't so sure it might be the key switch. Because some spades on that key switch. Here, I'll pop it off and I'll show you here. That key switch is in bad shape. Got a pair of pliers. This is like a 1985 model, I believe. See, look at how bad that is. All corroded up. Let me go find the key switch and let's throw it in there and see what happens. This one's in way better shape. Brand new. Nice and clean, no corrosion. I'm sure this ain't our only problem, but you have to have good connection so you get that 12 volts to go to the solenoid to kick the solenoid in so it transfers the power to the starter. Still nothing. Check the solenoid wire. Alright, well, we fixed one thing. It wasn't doing that before. Turn the key on and it kicks the solenoid in, but it's not going down here. So we gotta follow that wire. Well, we got power going into the relay. I don't know. It's very seldom these relays burn out. Could just have some corrosion and stuff on them. Usually when these things burn out, you have like a power surge or something like that. I'll clean all this corrosion and stuff off of there. Clean the spades a little bit. I'm gonna get the air gun and blow in there. Looks like there's a lot of dirt coming out of there. Well, bunches of dirt come out of there. Still nothing. Well, just for the heck of it, let me try a new relay. I don't replace that many relays. I gotta go find one first. Okay, I didn't have a new one, but I got a used one. I took it off a lawnmower, an old junk lawnmower. More was pretty much shot, but the engine and everything was good, so I kept a lot of the electrical stuff. So turn the key. Well, look at that. So that's so you know if we have wiring problems, just start. Make sure your battery is good. And you have to always make sure you have power going to your key switch. That's the main thing. Then you just follow your wire from the key switch. On the newer zero turns, there'd be a safety switch on both handles. With this one here, the handles are on in between your feet. Like the newer ones, the handles come out here. There's always safe switches there. But yeah. Look at that. So anyways, like I was saying, the key switch was really corroded. And that relay, I hardly ever change relays, but sometimes if you put a high voltage jolt through your system, it can burn out the relays. Luckily, I had a used one. I used to have the newer ones have the 5-prong relays, but this is the 4-prong. That's for the older ones. So good thing I had one. And just like I said, just check your wires, make sure your batteries are good, make sure you have power going to your key switch. That's the two main things. Then that wire that goes to the solenoid. On the newer zero turns, your handles are out here. There's a safety switch on each one of them. You got your brake. There's a safety switch on there too. There's one on the seat, but you really don't need that one to start it. You can be off it to start it. And anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good evening now. I guess it's getting dark out now, but you guys take care.